Okay, we're doing TinkerCAD when part 3 of measuring voltage. So we're going to go to part 2 here, and we're going to duplicate this. So we're going to leave this one alone and make a whole new one. So let's duplicate. Okay, and we're going to call this part 3. There we go, part 3. And with this, we want to have 4 bulbs instead of 3. So I'm going to move my resistor over. Let's see, let's move about here, 21 or so. I need a new LED. I'll put it there. So the right side will connect with the resistor. The left side, we're going to need another wire to connect these two. There we go. So the green wire. Now, this red wire, we need it over here. Let's see if I can disconnect it. If I can't, nope, I can't disconnect it. So let's just delete it. So click and delete. And we need a new red wire to go from the positive power right here all the way up to this pin right here, which will give everything positive power. Okay, so now we have 4 bulbs. Next, I want to crank this up. Right now we're at 12 volts. And if I do simulation, the bulbs come on, but if I give it more voltage, we should have a better lighting. So let's change this to 20 volts. And start simulation. Yeah, we got brighter lights now. Okay, 4 lights and that are brighter. We're using 20 volts. Now, let's start measuring voltage across each light. So we're going to take the negative side here. Oh, we need a black one. We'll turn that to black. So now connect it to this piece right there. And we're going to turn it into black. And good, good, good. Now we need a red wire. Connect it here. Kind of bend it there. And then bend it back over here. And there we go. So we'll be measuring this little guy here. And his voltage. And we'll start simulation. And it's 2.01. Okay, good, good. So 2.01. Let's see. We're suspicious that the next one will also be a 2.01 since all these bulbs are the same. Let's connect to this positive here. Go over here and connect it there. Anode. And black. Oh, that should be red. And then we'll go black wire and connect it there. Okay. All right, and we'll measure this second one here and start the simulation. There's also 2.1, so we're going to say all of these are going to be 2.1. So let's grab our calculator and basically multiply it times 4. So 2.01 times 4 is going to be 8.04. Okay. So since our voltage here gives us a total of 20 volts throughout the entire circuit or system, we're going to say 20 volts minus the 8.04, and just about 12 volts should be left here. So it should be 12 volts in the system, and that 12 volts will belong to the resistor, I believe. So let's stop the simulation and see if our resistor has the final 12 volts needed or accountable for. So let's click this here, delete, and delete this wire. And then we're going to, let's see, let's connect this black wire. Yeah, I don't need to go that far. Right here. And then a red. Let's go for red. And we're going to see if it really does have the voltage that we predict. So start simulation. And hey, 12 volts. We got it. All right. So your job will be to add a fifth LED light here, a fifth LED light, and then check the voltage and see if all the voltages match. And we'll keep this at 20 volts.